That is a lot of bees. That is a lot of bees on that chair. Move them. Oh, very careful. Oh. Run away, run away.
What's happening? You're running away from the bees?
Yeah.
Why?
I just pulled the chair up and they all dropped on the ground.
Sarah, you need to wait till I've got a box for them to go into.
I tried to make it easier for you.
Made it more annoying.
I'm sorry.
Grr.
They might settle back there. The queen's in there. They'll move back onto it. There's a shitload of bees on the ground. Maybe don't worry for a minute.
Oh, no, I'm already on my way to do things. Hello, girl. What are you doing in here?
Have a look what I did.
What did you do?
She moved them and disturbed them.
Why would you do that?
They're all on the ground. I wanted to make it easier for Dad.
Oh my god.
What's wrong?
They shouldn't be attacking you.